NEC Section 422.31c addresses the connection of kitchen exhaust fans. The specific wording states kitchen exhaust fans shall be permitted to be connected with flexible cord and plug when supplied through a receptacle outlet having an equipment grounding conductor terminal and located not more than 6 feet or 1.83 meters vertically above the floor or working platform. Where connected with flexible cord and plug, the flexible cord shall be not less than number 18 American wire gauge and shall contain an equipment grounding conductor. Analyzing this section, the key term is permitted. The use of permitted suggests that using a cord and plug connection is one acceptable method, but it doesn't exclude other methods. The code doesn't explicitly mandate a cord and plug connection, indicating that hard wiring would also be an acceptable wiring method. This interpretation aligns with a common understanding of how the NEC uses the word permitted. It generally implies an allowance for a specific method without making it the only acceptable method. It's crucial to understand that electrical codes, while based on the NEC, can be subject to local amendments or interpretations. These local variations can stem from specific geographical considerations, common construction practices in the area, or the local authority's preferred approach to safety and compliance. It's important to recognize that local authorities having jurisdiction have the final say in interpreting and enforcing electrical codes. Their interpretations may be based on local requirements, established precedents, or specific amendments to the NEC adopted by the local jurisdiction. To ensure compliance and avoid potential issues during inspections, it is always advisable to contact the local authority directly for clarification on code requirements specific to your location. This proactive step can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that your installations meet the local standard. In summary, based on the NEC text, it's reasonable to interpret that hard wiring kitchen exhaust fans is an acceptable method. The code language allows for cord and plug connections, it does not mandate them. However, it's crucial to confirm this interpretation with your local inspector to ensure it aligns with any local requirements or amendments to the NEC that may be in place. Remember that local authorities have the final say in interpreting and enforcing electrical codes, and their interpretations may differ from the standard NEC provisions. Confirming your interpretation with the local inspector is a proactive step that can help you ensure compliance and avoid potential issues. It is important to note that NEC 422.31 covers the means of disconnecting appliances. 422.31 speaks to cord and plug connected appliances. For cord and plug connected appliances, the cord and plug are the disconnecting means. 422.31b speaks to permanently connected appliances. For permanently connected appliances rated over 300 volt amps or greater than 1/8 horsepower, the disconnecting means must be within sight of the appliance or be capable of being locked in the open position. The exception to this is for dishwashers and clothes washers and dryers. 422.31c specifically applies to kitchen exhaust fans and permits them to be connected with a flexible cord and plug under certain conditions. The receptacle outlet must have an equipment grounding conductor terminal and be located not more than 6 feet vertically above the floor or working platform. The flexible cord must be no less than number 18 American wire gauge and contain an equipment grounding conductor. It is helpful to think about the concept of listing when discussing electrical installations. Electrical equipment is typically tested and listed by a nationally recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or Intertic. The listing indicates that the equipment has been evaluated and found to meet certain safety standards. When installing electrical equipment, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and any applicable listing requirements. This helps to ensure that the equipment is installed safely and in accordance with its intended use. Many kitchen exhaust fans are designed and listed for both cord and plug connection and hard-wired connection. The manufacturer's instructions will outline the proper procedures for each type of installation. Following these instructions is crucial for maintaining the listing and ensuring safe operation. When choosing between a cord and plug connection and a hard-wired connection for a kitchen exhaust fan, consider the specific requirements of the installation. A cord and plug connection may be more convenient for replacement or maintenance, as it allows the fan to be easily disconnected from the power supply. However, a hardwired connection may be more suitable for installations where a permanent connection is desired or where a cord and plug connection is not practical. Always consult with the local authority and the manufacturer's instructions to determine the most appropriate connection method for your specific installation. It is important to distinguish between the NEC requirements and the product listing. The NEC provides general guidelines for electrical installations, while the product listing provides specific instructions for the safe installation and use of a particular piece of equipment. Both the NEC and the product listing must be followed to ensure a safe and compliant installation. In the case of kitchen exhaust fans, the NEC permits both cord and plug connections and hardwired connections, but the product listing may specify certain requirements or limitations for each type of connection. For example, the product listing may require a specific type of cord or a specific method of securing the cord to the fan. Be aware of local amendments to the NEC. Many jurisdictions adopt the NEC with amendments that reflect local conditions or preferences. These amendments can sometimes be more stringent than the NEC requirements. It is important to be familiar with any local amendments that apply to your area. Check with your local authority for any specific requirements or interpretations related to kitchen exhaust fan installations. They may have specific guidelines or policies that you need to follow. Remember that the ultimate goal of electrical codes is to ensure the safety of people and property. By following the NEC, the product listing, and any applicable local requirements, you can help to create a safe and reliable electrical installation. The code rule reference is 422.31c. This section permits kitchen exhaust fans to be connected with a flexible cord and plug when supplied through a receptacle outlet. A receptacle outlet must have an equipment grounding conductor terminal and be located not more than 6 feet vertically above the floor or working platform. Also, where connected with flexible cord and plug, the flexible cord shall be not less than number 18 American wire gauge and shall contain an equipment grounding conductor. Again, the wording of NEC 422.31c indicates that a cord and plug connection method is permitted, not mandatory. The use of the word permitted suggests that other methods, such as hard wiring, are still acceptable. Remember, most local authorities adopt the National Electrical Code NEC as their electrical code, but they may adopt amendments or interpretations that vary from the NEC. Also, the inspector's interpretation of the code in this case may be based on local requirements or precedents.